With Crowd Cookware, we are hacking the cookware industry, like kitchen pirates evading big brands. We are creating chef-grade cookware for a fair price. Our adventure started last year. With 2 campaigns and more than 5,000 backers, we have kickstarted our Blackbeard frying pans. Now, on the crowd's request, we are launching our next and most ambitious hack. The boldest, lifelong sharp chef knife, the Wigbold from Crowd Cookware. We didn't design the chef knife on our own. We are extremely proud that 2 Michelin star chef Dick Middlemen fully tested the Wigbold.
Ik vind dit een ontzettend fijn mes. Het legt ontzettend goed in de hand.
But we received the most important feedback from our crowd through surveys and visits.
It cuts beautiful. Great, yeah.
I think it will be a success. It's an awesome knife.
Thanks, matey. When a chef knife is chosen, the relation is made forever. Piece by piece, we created the perfect chef knife. To make the Wigbold worthy of a lifetime commitment, we have looked to usual, overpriced chef knives with unusual eyes, making the Wigbold lifelong sharp and strong as a battleship. The Wigbold is designed for lifetime use. Its guaranteed Rockwell hardness rate competes with the very best. The blade is made of the strongest German steel and 23% thicker and 18% bigger than the elite standards. So you can sharpen your Wigbold over a lifetime. With extreme accuracy, both sides of the Wigbold blade are sharpened with respectively 12 and 14 degrees, resulting in a cutting edge, exactly balanced in the middle, pirate strong and razor sharp. The details make the design. The blade flows seamlessly into the handle, which makes the Wigbold balanced for the ultimate cutting experience. The honeycomb framework on the handle ensures grip and matches our Blackbeard pans carefully. The blade's mirror-polished finish gives the Wigbold a sleek and clean look and reduces the food sticking to the blade. Forget paying more than 150 euros for a chef knife. Our price starts at 49. Let's hack the cookware industry again and conquer the kitchen with a pirate sword designed along with our crowd. Nice to meet you!